Original performance
Hey guys, welcome
routines
back
where
to another
applicable.
video. Today I am playing Help on the Viewer once again. Let me go check what I can do. I do this mango. Okay, so I already know what to do on this, as you guys saw like before I stopped posting. Cause my cousins came. Oh, damn it! So,
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment.
I don't like this. Forgot about. Hi. No. Now what? Over here. No. No. God damn my hand. Red, green, blue. Orange, red, green, blue. Dude, I don't like that. Dude, that's terrifying.
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job. See you next time.
Sorry that I'm like doing that. I just woke up, so I'm a little, you know. I will eat all the toys. Time for Ednard. God, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Oh God, I remember what to do though.
Welcome to Circus Babies Entertainment and Rental.
That's scary.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
No.
Well done.
Oh, this isn't so scary right now, but later on it gets terrifying.
Well done.
Why did I have to do that? It was obvious that straight ahead. Hello, Ennard. Which one? No. No. Holy shit. Get out of here, bro. I couldn't find it, dude. I messed up.
Welcome to Circus Babies Entertainment and Rental.
Oh, God damn it. Dude, that was terrifying.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
done.
Okay.
Well done.
Ennard, please. Calm down, boy. Come on. Come on, friend. We can do it. So you cannot get 3 wrong or you're What is wrong with me, bro? I don't like that. Oh. But we're not in FNAF 1 right now. We're in Circus Babies and Entertainment Center.
Welcome to Circus Babies Entertainment and Rental.
Okay, that was wrong. Open. Come on. Open.
Motion trigger.
Open.
Breaker
I don't
room.
care. Quiet. Open. What? Okay, I was very confused right there.
Well done.
Oh, wait.
Well done.
Please. Enter. We can be friends, right? We can be friends, right? No.
Well done.
Enter, I know what you're gonna do. Alright. No. No. I don't like this game anymore. Okay. That's just scary. But is this the one I think it is? Oh, my girl, holy shit, ow. My whole jaw hurts. Ow. Hurry up, please.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Okay.
Well done.
Go, please. Okay, I did that one pretty quickly. Alright, that's good, that's good. That's good, not that good. Alright. I can do this. Stop it, please. Shit. I just chucked my controller. I'm like doing this, slips. I don't like that. Now which one?
Motion trigger. Boiler room.
Quiet, please. Be quiet. Oh no. 1.
Well done.
Oh, alright. That was that hard. Which one? Perfect.
Well done.
Oh, alright. Now it's time for you. What's behind your doors? Oh, just straight black, alright. Die, Ennard. Die. Yes. Burn. I'm gonna shut up.
Well done.
Yes,
A
perfect.
perfect 72 degrees. See you next time.
That's like 72. Yeah, that's not 72 degrees. What did I get? Give me a hug. No. Alright. Now what? Okay. Well, okay, I'll just do FNAF 1, I guess. Okay. I don't know what to do. Oh, there's nothing in there until 3 a.m., okay. No. Oh my god, it still works.
But I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on me.
Shut up.
Okay?
No. Nothing I can really do right now. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, one thing I can do. Okay, so far only Bonnie. That's good. Chica should be moving next. Okay. 1 a.m. I'm close, just 5 more hours. You will not kill me. Okay, you're there. No, Chica! Alright, so they're right there. I'm all good. If you think about it, you don't really have to look at the cameras. All you have to do is just that, really. 2 a.m. 4 more hours and I'm all done with this bullshit. Come on. Come on, man. No. He's there. Where's Chica? Oh, she's in the kitchen. How you can tell that Chica's in the kitchen is she's not in the kitchen. There she is. All right. So she left the kitchen. All you hear is like stuff moving around in the kitchen. That's how you know that Chica's in the kitchen. You're in there, okay. I don't like the footsteps. Okay. It's 3 a.m. That should be opening. No one. There's So there's a chicken and a rabbit trying to kill me. And nope. Turn off. I'm all good. Bonnie's right there. Nope. First so good. One more. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it like this for the next hour. Okay, no, I'm just gonna keep this one closed. Actually, nope, I'm just gonna keep both those closed. Just keep that open. I don't know where Bonnie's right there, okay. Yes! 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 Oh god, yes. I completed it. Butter. Mmm, yummy. Dude, that's just terrifying. Oh, well. Wait, first of all, candy. Yummy. No. I am tall. I'll see you guys in the next video, so.